Before we proceed to the details of Microsoft Excel, let's talk about what this presentation is all about. Our objective is to present a beginner-friendly overview of Excel, including its main features, practical applications, and tips for effective use. This presentation is meant for those who are new to using Excel or want to improve their existing skills. By the end of this session, you'll see how Excel can significantly boost productivity, simplify data management, and serve as a critical tool in academics, personal projects, and professional work. So, let's get started. Hello everybody, I'm presenting on Microsoft Excel, a beginner's guide to understand its features and uses. My name is Antoinette Estabayo-Yong and I'm accompanied by my group members, Aldrin Solis, Genevieve Sibayan, Giancarlo Zambrano, Ervin Zea Daclan, and Clifford J. Bagawisan. In this slide, introduction to Microsoft Excel. So we are gonna tackle what is Excel and why is it important.
Introduction to Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft. It has been used to manage data, analyze it, and visualize it. Whether used for personal, academic, or professional purposes, the versatility of Excel makes even the most complex tasks relatively easy. In this presentation, we will explain the features and how you can use them effectively.
Key feature of Excel. Excel is based on two elements, worksheet and workbook. A workbook can be through out as an Excel file that will multiply worksheet, while a worksheet is where you actually input your data. You can be use Excel to easily input, organize, and present your data in an understandable manner.
Formulas and functions. One of Excel's most powerful features is its ability to perform calculation through formulas and functions. Formulas allow you to do simple arithmetic operations such as adding or multiplying, such as equals a plus 1 plus b1 functions. However, can make complicated calculation easier to handle. For example, the sum functions adds values together, while the average functions calculate the mean of a range.
Charts and graphs. Excel make it easy to present data by using chart and graphing tools. It can easily be used for creating a bar chart, line graph, or pie chart. Representing data is a graphic form. To do so, simply select your data, then go to the Insert tab and choose which type of chart you'd like. Chart help to analyze in trends and communicate findings.
Advanced features. Excel also has more advanced tools such as pivot table, which can summarize and analyze large datasets quickly. Another feature is conditional formatting, where you can highlight cells based on rule, for example, color coding, high or low value. Finally, keyboard shortcut like Ctrl+C to copy or Alt plus equals for auto-sum can save you a lot of time and effort.
It's widely used in various fields. In the business field, it plays a vital role in budgeting and financial analysis. In academia, researchers use it to organize data and make analysis. It can also be used to track personal expenses, create personal schedules, or even prepare for events the possible are endless.
Tips and tricks. Here are some tips that will help you get the most out of using Excel. Use template to save time when doing recurring tasks. Use like budgeting, save your work regularly so that you don't lose it. Finally, don't be afraid to take advantage of the built and help feature inside of Excel. It can be very helpful in resolving problem and learning new things.
Conclusion. In summary, Microsoft Excel is very powerful and versatile tool for managing and analyzing data. With knowledge of its features and practice, you will be able to master its use and unlock its full potentials.
So, here's more additional about Microsoft Excel. Let's take a moment to talk and look at the history and evolution of Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel was first introduced in 1985, exclusively for the Mac, and later released for Windows in 1987. It quickly gained popularity for its user-friendly interface and robust features. Some of the major highlights include pivot tables, which were introduced in 1993, and transform data summarization, and Excel Online in 2010, which opened up cloud-based collaboration. Over the years, more advanced tools like Power Query and Power Pivot have positioned Excel as the tool for professionals across all introduced. Excel growth, therefore, is a testament to its ability to keep abreast with changing user needs, which make it the foundation for productivity software across the world. Formatting features and Excel. Formatting is one of the important steps while working on Excel because it helps in reading the data easily. The different way of formatting cells are change font, colors, aligning the text, and borders. In numbers, you can also format them to appear as currency, percentages, or even dates, depending on the requirements. Also, Excel allows you to table format and organize data systematically by placing header and predefined styles. Use of Excel terms and sales styles help maintain consistency throughout the workbook and can make your data not only functional but also visual appealing. Data sorting and filtering. Sorting and filtering are critical tools in Excel when working with big data. Sorting is essential to alphabetize data numerically and based on a custom order of criteria. For example, you can sort the sales data from highest to lowest or alphabetize the names. Filtering allows you to display only the data that meets certain conditions. For example, you can filter a list of orders to show only those above a certain value. There are advanced filtering options available in Excel for more complex criteria. Together, sorting and filtering make it easy to navigate and analyze even the largest datasets. Collaboration in Excel. Excel is not merely a personal tool, it's built for effortless collaboration. Let's discuss its sharing capabilities. One of the new Excel features includes real-time collaboration through OneDrive or SharePoint. You can share a workbook with your team, and multiple users can edit the same files at the same time. This ensures everyone works with the most current data without having to send email attachment one by one. The next is version control, another powerful feature. It automatically tracks the changes and can show you and restore previous version of your workbook, which becomes very handy with recovering data or checking changes that were done by other team members. Finally, there are communication tools, comments and notes. They allows you to leave feedback directly in the workbook or explain something referring to particular cells or formulas. This helps to promote transparency among the teams. They are together makes Excel to be a great tools for working in groups project, team plannings, or collaboration analysis. Thank you for listening to our presentation. We hope this encourage you to explore and use Excel in your daily tasks.